Ambitious but lazy and overwhelmed? Here's how to break free. You ever feel like you want to achieve great things, but instead you're scrolling through your phone watching a guy build a pool in the jungle? You've got big dreams, a side hustle, a fitness goal. Maybe you want to learn a new skill, but instead of making progress, you're binge-watching Netflix, telling yourself, just one more episode. And the worst part? You know you're capable. You know you're wasting time, but every time you think about starting, it feels like too much. So what's happening? Why do ambitious people who really want to succeed get stuck in this lazy loop? Let's break it down. You've got two voices in your head. One's telling you, let's go, let's build that empire. The other, maybe later. Guess who wins most of the time? Yep, Mr. Beanbag. Why? Because your brain hates discomfort. Chasing big goals? That's uncomfortable. So instead of starting, you wait. For motivation? Spoiler alert, motivation isn't hiding under your couch. Here's the truth. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. You don't wait to feel motivated to go to the gym. You go to the gym, and then you feel motivated because you're already moving. So how do you break the lazy, overwhelmed cycle? Step 1, shrink the goal. You don't have to conquer the mountain. Just take a step. Want to write a book? Don't aim for 10 pages a day. Start with one sentence. Want to hit the gym? Just commit to 5 minutes. Small steps trick your brain, and before you know it, you're in motion. Step 2, set a timer. Tell yourself, I'll work on this for 5 minutes. That's it, just 5 minutes. Most of the time, once you start, you won't stop. Step 3, reward yourself. Brains love reward. Finish 20 minutes of focus work? Cool. Now you've earned that scroll time. Step 4, embrace messy progress. Perfection is a trap. It's better to be messy and moving than stuck and overthinking. But wait, what about burnout? Here's the thing. Burnout happens when you sprint without resting. So mix in intentional breaks. Work for 25 minutes, rest for 5. Now let's be real, you're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed because your goals feel too big. But once you start small, you'll build momentum, and suddenly you're unstoppable. So what's your next tiny step? Go on, set that 5-minute timer. I'll wait.